Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to star and unstar messages on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to star and unstar messages on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to star and unstar messages on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to star and unstar messages on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Star and unstar messages on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will star and unstar messages on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your browser. Now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. And then open any chat or group. And now click on drop down next to that messages and then click on star and your message has been starred. And now click on three dots in the right top corner and then click on contact info. And now scroll and click on starred messages. And now you can unstar your all messages. So there you go. If you were wondering how to star and unstar messages on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.